Do you want a beautiful half-up, half-down hairstyle that looks completely natural without spending a fortune? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this gorgeous look using affordable braiding hair. It's beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and perfect for everyday wear, school, work, church, or special occasions. Stay until the end because I'll share a few simple tips to make your hairstyle blend seamlessly and last even longer. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you love easy, affordable, and natural-looking hairstyles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let's get started.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe, yeah. It's all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless.
If you don't have hair gel, today I'll show you how to slick down your hair using soap. I've prepared 4 bundles like this and added a hair clip to each one.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Want to learn how to do this ponytail? I've already uploaded a full tutorial on my channel. Go check it out.
Good to see you here. It's been a while since we've been together. I still feel that fire. Something between us is forever. Time can move so strange. That don't mean my mind has changed. You know I want it. You know I want it. To be your lover, to be your partner. I took you for granted, lost the moment, and I let your love slip away.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what hairstyle you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.